One of the most common ways traders draw supply and demand zone is like this. They will search for a big candle near the reversal area, and after finding that big candle, they will draw a rectangle box with the previous candle size. Right, but is it the right way? Well, yes, but there's one piece missing, and trust me, that one piece will make supply and demand much easier and more reliable. So let's see what's that one missing piece is, and I will also share some pro bonus tips that will help you first draw supply demand zones even more easily, and second, and whether the price will break out or respect your zones. These tips will also help you avoid false breakout. So without any further late, let's begin. First, let's start with the basics and see how to draw supply and demand in a common way. To draw zones, first open a higher time frame chart and then look for where the price reversed. In my case, the price reversed right here with this big candlestick. Now, to draw zones, look for the previous candle and draw a rectangle box around it. You really thought that's what I'm gonna say, right? Well, no, that way is alright, no problem with that. But if you want to be extra safe with your trades and be more profitable, here's another way. First, we will go to TradingView, and no, I'm not talking about indicators here, so don't worry. Open your chart and right click. After that, follow this video. Now we have horizontal lines displayed on our charts. So what we're gonna do now is look for the area where the price reversed and then draw a zone by connecting both horizontal lines near this area. For example, here in this chart we are currently at this price. To draw a zone, let's say a demand zone, what I'm gonna do now is look where the price previously reversed, and then after I find that price, I will draw a big box here connecting these two horizontal lines. In this way, you are not drawing zones that are too big or too small, just correct. Now keep in mind, price doesn't always respect our zones. There are breakouts and false breakouts as well. So how do we know when the price will respect our zone and when not? Well, here's a way to solve that issue as well. First, avoid setting limit orders near zones and check the price manually, like which type of candles are forming near that area. What are those candles? Are they small body candles, large body candles, or is it an evening or morning star? Once you're confident about the candle, like you're really confident that it is a morning star or an engulfing candle, wait for trend confirmation. Don't enter yet. This is where most traders go wrong. Go to lower time frame and wait for 2 to 3 candles. If they show the same trend, then enter the deal right there. That's your deal. Now before I tell you about an indicator that will help you draw zones even more easily, let me show you some examples of how it works. Now let's talk about how you can find supply and demand zones even more easily using one indicator. Now I understand that as a beginner you might get little confused about how you can find that perfect correct reversal area. You can use zigzag indicator to filter out all these small reversal areas, right? So zigzag is a filtering, or you can also say smoothing indicator, that will help you filter out, as I said before, all the small reversals and will help you focus on the main reversal. So first, what you're gonna do is go to trading view and add zigzag indicator, or if you're using MT4 or MT5, you can check out this video's description box. I will add those links, those download links there. Okay, after adding that indicator, go to higher time frame and see where the last peak or bottom is. In my case, it's here. So now I will just draw a rectangle box here like this. And that's it. Now my zone is ready.